I wanted to try making some affordable decorations to put outside this year. Most of the materials I found at the Dollar Tree, and some were purchased at Walmart. The first item is light up eyes. Grab a pop light, markers, and let's be creative. I found the most affordable price for these lights at Walmart. I was pretty excited they had 2 sizes for more options on this project. Play with ideas for each eye to be different colors. If yours has a button, feel free to color right on through it. Don't be nervous, this is my first time too. My lights needed AA batteries to power them, but be sure to get the type your lights will need. Creepy, fun, or misshapen, it all gives them more life, so there's no wrong way to do this. I hot glued zip ties to the backside to use in securing them around my trees in the front yard. You can also use string, rope, or anything you have around the house to tie, hang, or place them in a fun decorative spot. Now that we have our light up eyes, let's move on to our dancing ghosts. Materials you will need for each ghost is a sponge mop, a plastic cereal bowl, preferably light colored, a grocery bag, a Dollar Tree rectangle tablecloth. The tools that I am using are a heat gun to help mold the shape of the plastic, a hot glue gun, and plenty of glue sticks. I'm using zip ties, at least 2 per ghost. They only need to be big enough to go around the mop pole. Pliers to help make a point at the bottom of the pole. Clippers, snips, or scissors, whichever you already have on hand to cut would work. And last, 2 2-inch clamps. These are optional, but they make your life easier to hold pieces in place while you're gluing. Now we will move on to the mop. We really only need the pole and part of the top plastic, so go ahead and cut off the sponge and leave the bottom of the plastic bracket. You will use that plastic to attach the pole to the bowl. Ready your glue gun. We will be using it a lot on this project. Using the heat gun, mold the top bracket and press into the inside of the bowl. Once it takes the shape of the bowl, hot glue it together. We placed our bowl at an angle to help with the size and curve of the head. Hold it in place until dry, and then cover the outside edges for extra hold. This thing ain't going nowhere. Let dry again for about 3 minutes. Cover the bowl with the shopping bag. This will help distort the shape. Secure the shopping bag by using the zip ties. Next, grab the tablecloth. Cut the long end so you have a piece that is 5.5 feet long and 4 feet wide. That will be your bottom layer and the short piece will be your top layer. Place them in a diamond shape and mark the center lightly with a pen or pencil for when you need to glue them. On the center mark, put an arrow pointing to one of the short corners of the diamond. This will make sure you have length for the hands. Glue the large piece of the tablecloth to the bowl using your center point. After a few minutes, glue on the shorter second layer as well. Repeat this process for as many ghosts as you would like to make. I recommend at least making 3. For my size yard, I made 5 ghosts. Once all of them are made, pinch the bottom with pliers to make a point to stab easier into the ground. These ghosts are going to be holding hands while dancing in the wind, so don't space them too far apart. No 6 feet requirement here. I will leave a note in the description to show where I was able to find the materials for these decorations. Stay tuned for another Haunted Decorations episode.